Hi guys, this is Trevor. Today we're making Spinach Egg Drop Soup. Let's get started. We'll need spinach, eggs, and all-purpose flour. First we'll need to mix the flour. Don't add all the water in at once, because you don't want to have big clumps in your mix. Then we'll crack 2 eggs. If you accidentally had a shell in the bowl, don't use your finger to try to take it out. Use your shell and scoop it out like this. Okay. And then mix well. Then for our spinach, we just need to break in half. And that, okay, break in half. First, heat up your pan. We'll need to do 炝锅. Add your oil. Bring this to boil. After it's boiled, add the flour mix in. Okay, bring this to boil. When you see the bubbles here, cook it for like 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, we can add the eggs in. Slowly like this. Okay. And then turn off the heat. Add some salt if you need it. Our spinach egg soup is ready. Alright guys, thank you for watching today's video. See you guys next time.